and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can log in or create your account in Easypaisa. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Easypaisa app, and once you open it, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So now if you're logging in, simply tap on the login button. Or if you are new and you are creating an account, then tap on sign up. Once you do this, you need to now enter your mobile phone number and then tap on the verify option. So once you hit the verify button, you will get an OTP in your device which you need to type in, and you will be allowed to get your account created in Easypaisa. In this simple and easy manner, you can create an account or log in into your Easypaisa account. So by following this, you can simply get access to every facility that you can get from your Easypaisa account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.